Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the stew with another video, and this one we're gonna go over some Supreme items that are set to release this week. We don't have the full drop list, that's probably gonna be tomorrow, but in this video we're gonna slightly cover these pieces. I'm not really too pressed to sit down and talk about it for too long, but we're gonna get into it. If you do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to subscribe. We on road to 20K. But without any further ado, man, let's get straight to it. So honestly, I was hoping that the whole drop list was out today. I was gonna do a whole drop list video, deadass. This morning I actually sold these on eBay for like $90, and then I sold these Supreme pants on eBay as well for like $68. Pulled up at the post office, you feel me? I'm about to go take these in real quick, see if I could ship these out, go back to the crib, clean some sneakers, and try to see if I could get some more sales in. So we just made an unnecessary pit stop. I know y'all know what the vibes are, bro. It's morning time. I stopped at the post office. There's only one thing that comes with that. Yes, sir. We talking about Starbucks, baby. We about to cop us a little drink. I did already have waffles and bacon for breakfast, so I'm not really pressed on a little croissant, but we about to get the drink, bro.
Welcome to Starbucks. How can I help you today?
Can I have a brown sugar oat milk shaken, venti with 7 pumps of white mocha? So we ordered the drink. Activate, you feel me? Thank you, man.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Yes, sir. Got the drink. Need I say more? All right, let's do the official taste test in the crib vibe. I tried it in the car. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro, but hey. Slapping. I was honestly just sitting down working on some clothing brand stuff, and now we're here present time, and we're gonna talk about some Supreme items. There's actually a couple dunk leaks that I want to talk about in this video, then we'll get straight up out of here because this isn't gonna be a long ass video. First, there's gonna be another Panda dunk release. This time they're gonna treat it a little bit more special. There's gonna be more premium materials on this one. It has like a gold dubray and little gold accents around the sneaker, as well as the primary color, which is black. Comes in this like almost cracked or like really high quality leather, but it's like almost worn in type thing. Y'all gotta see the pictures up here to get a real idea of what I'm talking about, but it almost looks like a enhanced Panda dunk. At this point, this sneaker has released probably over 10 times, and it's not stopping no time soon. Nike knows what they're doing. They literally restocked over 200,000 pairs a week or two ago, and there's another one of these bitches coming, so stay tuned. I don't know if I need these more than the original just black and white pair. I feel like those are way cleaner. I would honestly wear them way more than these right here. But hey, another Panda dunk. Pretty sure you can remove the dubray. The little gold accents on it aren't too much going on, so it's not that bad. Let me know what y'all think about this one. There's also the Bart Simpson dunks supposed to come out. Those is fire, bro. I don't know what I would wear them with, but just know that if I could get those for retail whenever they release, I honestly would try to go for them, just for the simple fact that they're Bart Simpson dunks. Like, bro, come on. Since we talking about dunk news, I might as well tell y'all that the Union dunks have been loaded on the sneakers app. They're dropping on the 7th if I'm not mistaken, so stay on that shit because they coming, bro. Literally in like 2 days. Go on your sneakers app, make sure all your information is correct, get your shit straight, because this is probably one of the last chances to get these. If I'm not mistaken, there might be little restocks here and there, people that might have not got the pairs in, but for the most part this might be the last drop, so stay on it. This crunch time, bro, and honestly I haven't hit on none of these yet. I'm gonna try one more time. Sneakers got me, bro. I know I'm getting them on sneakers. Stay on it, because that's where I'm about to hit, bro. Like I gotta hit, bro. It's over. Like I gotta get them. Mandatory, for real. But yeah, man, that's pretty big shit. Make sure you stay on the sneakers app. They're already on there. If you're in the US, I don't know if they're dropping in EU. Let me know, EU boys, if it's on your sneakers app. I don't really know much. I just know that around me, it's on it. So let's talk about week 7 real quick. Then we'll get straight up out the building. At the very top of the list, we got the Supreme Supreme Rhino trunk. This one comes in 2 colorways. You got like this cheetah print, leopard print one, and then you got the red with the white Supreme, which is basically like this. If I'm not mistaken, the measurements are around 30 something inches by 18 by 14, which is kind of the same as this toolbox. It's like 1.5 times this toolbox, if that makes sense. Just make it a little wider, make it a little taller. That's what it looks like. It's not like the biggest shit in the world, so hopefully it's not too expensive, but knowing Supreme, this bitch gonna be like $458. I'm just calling a random number, but if it's 10 over or under, come back to this video and leave it a like. This shit says nickel plated, a whole bunch of other shit going on in the description of this. It has a magnetic trunk lock. Make it 568. Up or down 10, come back to the video, leave it a like. You know what I'm saying? But like, nah, I don't really think I need that shit, not one bit. But we got the Supreme IPA porcelain espresso set. This one comes in a set of 2. I don't know if it comes with both colors. Hopefully you get to choose, because I would not want like a white and black one and then like a green and yellow Brazil color. Like, it just don't make no sense at all. But you do get the little plate, and then you get the little porcelain thing. This shit gonna be like 150, bro. Dead ass. Think about it. It's porcelain. I understand IPA, yeah. And I understand there's gonna be a whole lot of TikToks with this shit, people drinking espresso out of it. But I honestly don't need it. I don't see the point in me spending beans on this. The trunk and the espresso cups are decent. Like, those are 2 passable items. But after that, we got the Supreme Dickies collab, and that's when shit get like a little dookie, bro. Like, shit just get completely over the top doodle, bro. Like, it's just terrible. Yeah, so we got the Supreme Dickies collab, bro. I'm gonna start with the worst first. We got these shorts. Let me know who's ceiling you painting with them shits right there. These bitches gonna be 168, so it don't even make sense. Like, for me to pay like 150, which I know these pants about to be like 150, bro, it just don't make no fucking sense, like, at all. You can literally go to thrift, literally, and get these same Carhartt Dickie pants for nearly roughly $2, bro. Like, I'm not even lying to you, dead ass. These hold up over time, that is a plus, but these shits look like bell-bottom shorts. Like, bro, who freaking these shits? Let me know. Don't even let me know, please. Just don't let me know if you copping these. We do got the short sleeve work shirt. This is basically the button up. It's almost on some like working on cars type vibe, which I am a fan of. I like shit that's like almost workwear. It has like that rugged, like almost rough look to it, and I think it's clean depending on what it is though. I don't feel like I would go for something like this, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Then we got the 874 work pants. These come in the same 4 colors that the other pieces are in. These have like this stripe on the side. Honestly, the better ones out of these would be that gray with the black, and even them shits is ass. Like, it just doesn't make sense, bro, like, at all. Shits is doodle. We about to keep moving up. The only okay, like, literally still mid piece is this jacket, and it has nothing special to it. It looks like literally some shit that you find at Unique Thrift, like, dead ass. Maybe a Goodwill, and they'll be charging $20, and I probably wouldn't even buy it for that much. This is like a $7.99 jacket. Like, dead ass. Like, I wouldn't pay over $8 for this at the thrift type jacket, and it just doesn't make sense to pay $200 from Supreme. So hey, my bad if I'm roasting the shit out the piece you want. At the end of the day, it's what you like. Like, if this is your favorite shit releasing the whole season, I fuck with it, because at the end of the day, that's what you like. I would not rock this shit at all, but that's me, you feel me? Like, if you fuck with this, you fuck with it. It is what it is. But yeah, shit's doodle. We do got the 4 belts coming out, 4 different colors. Hey, this is some shit I would have worn in high school, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. In this black and gray color, it almost looked like this golf Nike belt that I used to have. That shit got worn a lot. It's simple because you could just put it in, clamp that bitch, and you're ready to go for the day. It's something on the more simpler side, something more essential. If you're gonna use it, nobody really need to know what it is, if that makes sense, but I'm pretty sure they about to tax on this hoe. If it's like $100, I would pay it for a belt. I feel like it's something you use all the time, and it makes sense, but I'm still not copping this shit. My girl got me a CDG belt for Christmas. We vibing, bro. I don't need this shit right here. We good. We gonna be alright. And honestly, that's like the last piece in the little collection shit. We don't have the full drop list. It's none of that yet. That will come tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. Leave a like down below if y'all want more content like this. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more content. Let me know what y'all would like to see. There's Yeezy releases for this month that are insane. I'm about to film that right now. There's Jordan releases for this month, crazy, coming soon too. Stay tuned, and we got some more shit on the way, so just strap the fuck up, because we about to go, bro. It's time to go, for real. We about to go up. Let me know if y'all want some teas or some shit. I've been designing some shit low-key behind the scenes. Let me know if y'all interested. I might do a pre-order. Once I get these shits on the roll, y'all will know. This is like a hidden gem if y'all even watching this. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all. Peace, stay up, now I'm out.